Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make these brownie peanut butter cheesecake bites. Absolutely scrumptious and simple to make. The ingredients you're going to need is an 18-ounce package of brownie mix, your choice, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 egg, 1/4 of a cup of chopped walnuts, pecans. This is optional, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this later. And you're going to need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature. First, I'm going to prepare the brownie batter as directed on the package here. Add your prepared brownie batter into 20 paper-lined muffin cups. This is about 2 tablespoons. I'm using an ice cream scooper. I've been adding my room temperature cream cheese into a medium mixing bowl. Add that granulated sugar along with your 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, the peanut butter, and the 1 egg. With a mixer on low, we're going to incorporate these ingredients, and then we're going to turn the mixer up high, and we're going to beat this for 1 minute or until it's light and fluffy. And looking like this, that peanut butter smells fantastic. I'm adding a melon scooper to plop our peanut butter mixture right on top of our brownie mixture. And you're just gonna push it down in there. At this point, you want your oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I add a couple of little chopped walnuts to the top. This is optional. Off to the oven on the middle rack for the next 30 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Brownie peanut butter cheesecake bites have baked, and to make sure they're completely baked, I'm taking a toothpick, sticking it in. If that toothpick were to come out with batter on it, we'd put it back in the oven for the next 2 to 3 minutes. These look perfect, and as you can see over here, I've got them without the nuts on it, and here I've got them with the nuts. We're gonna let these cool down for about 5 minutes before we remove them from their baking tray. Time to give these brownie peanut butter cheesecake bites a taste. And look, when you pull back the paper, you get that lovely brownie on the bottom, and you get this lovely cheesecake on the top. And now, let's just cut into it and see what it's like. Oh, and it smells yummy. The chocolate and the peanut butter. You can't go wrong with those two. Here goes. Decadent, rich chocolate with a hint of peanut butter. Wow, y'all. If you're needing something easy to travel with, something to serve at an office party or a get-together or a family reunion, I would highly recommend these. Look how nice and moist they are. Definitely a distinguished taste between that brownie and that peanut butter cheesecake. Fabulous, and I love serving mine on a cutting board. These would be perfect, drizzled with a little bit of caramel, a little bit of chocolate, maybe some ice cream, whipped cream, some fruit. Hey, it's endless. Enjoy the way you love it, or just as is. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, you all, and I'll catch you lovely people later.